call.
Who's that?
Rick roll, prank call. McDonald's, right? McDonald's, right?
Yeah.
Hey, you work at McDonald's, right?
Yeah.
Do you know the rules? Cause, well...
Rick roll, baby!
You just got rickrolled, bitch.
Yeah, fuck you, asshole!
I'm gonna keep you on for a bit, okay? Yeah, dance it.
Who's the smartest school? You're not very bright, are you?